Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to take up additional.
The Majority Leader's recommendation. There is a motion to direct the Secretary General to immediately endorse to the Senate the impeachment complaint, having been filed by more than 1/3 of the membership
of House members who verified and swore before me this impeachment complaint is 215 House members.
Mapagmahal at mapagpaling.
Naririnig ang ating tinig. Okay po.
Hindi gayon ang sino mang gumagawa ng batisan. Laging sariwa ang dahon.
Nanakaw